I got two stocks that are about to rocket out of the atmosphere. They're on the landing pad. The countdown is happening. Are you going to get on the rocket, or are you just going to be a spectator from the ground? Let's dig in. Welcome to the newsroom. I am hopped up on so much caffeine, so I apologize ahead of time if things get a little nuts. So I got two stocks. The first one, Marinus Pharmaceuticals, trading at $2.15. This thing, it ticks all my boxes. Listen, I have a certain amount of boxes I tick before I make my investment. Y'all know this. I'm going to show you a new indicator that I use on every one of my personal investments. I'm going to show you how it works and how to set it up. That's at the end of the video. But first, let's look at these two stocks. These two stocks are going to be massive runners. I think this will happen. I'm invested in this one tomorrow, Monday. Marinus Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. Probably not, because a scientist wrote it and they know I don't like them. Is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company focuses on developing and commercializing therapeutics to treat rare seizure disorders. All right, they're a biotech. We don't really need to know too much about them unless you want to read into that. With stocks, biotechs, it's nice to know a little bit about the medicines. The more you know, the better. But I'm not a scientist. I don't know biology. So I trust that this company knows what they're doing. Also, there's a few key things that I look for where smarter people than me buy into this. Hedge funds, because they have a team of scientists and smart people and nerds that look at these things. So I don't have to. What I look at is the technicals. If I could tick all the boxes, I'm getting in. So before we pull up the stock and look at the technicals, let's look at a few other key things that I look for that give me a strong indication to buy this thing. So first, I like to look at what the analysts are doing. And as we're looking at this chart here, we have all strong buys and buys. No holds, no underperforms, and no sells. So no red flags, all green flags. Recommendation rating, strong buy. Analyst price target, $5.44 is the average. Right now it's trading at $2.15, which is very low. The high is 9. We just checked about 20 boxes. I don't know how many things I said, but it was probably like 20 boxes. Now, after I look at the analyst ratings and make sure that they're all ticking my boxes, strong buys out the wazoo, what I look at next is institutional ownership. And right now, this one's through the roof. 80% institutional ownership. So in layman's terms, that means 80% is smart people, 20% is Robin Hooders. I like those odds. Another box we could tick out is new positions and sold out positions. So before we look at this, if there's more new positions and less sold out positions, that's another green flag. Another reason why I'm buying. Listen, I personally don't just look at a stock and get in if everyone else is getting in. I go through a checklist of reasons to buy this stock. I created this formula to give me an edge. Don't just buy a stock because everyone's buying it. Yes, you might win a few, but most likely you'll probably lose. Buy a stock because it's ticking a bunch of confirmations. The more confirmations, the better the odds are this thing's going up. And this one, I was up scanning for hours last night. I got one bloodshot eye because I was up so late, finding the perfect stock. And I came across this one. I just stumbled upon it because it ticked all these boxes. The way I find my stocks, I'll have a list of about 20 stocks, and then I'll scratch them off as I go if they don't tick certain boxes. This one ticked all of them. New positions, 28. Sold out, 7. Now, do the technicals look good? Is there an entry, or is this thing way too high up that I can't get in yet? I'd have to wait for it to come down. Let's see. So looking at the chart, all right, we don't really know what's happening here. It gapped down in July of last year, and now it's trading along this bottom area around 1 to 250, somewhere around there, right? Not much going on. So I have two indicators on the screen here. First, at the bottom, I have RSI. At the top, I have my moving averages. If you don't know what moving averages is, that's okay. I'm going to explain it. Relax. If RSI goes over 50, it's a buy. It's another box I'm ticking, which it did. It just cleared 50 as of a couple days ago. Next indicator, my moving averages cross, which they're getting close to crossing. Now let me explain how these crossing moving averages work. I'm giving you guys golden nuggets with the honey mustard. When the green line goes above the purple line, green, purple. When the green goes above the purple, it's a buy. When the purple goes above the green, it's a sell. So it did it here. And look, the green went above the purple, the stock went up. Over here, the green went below the purple, stock went down. And right here, green went above. It's a buy. That's how it works. It's very simple. And right now, they're about to cross. The green is about to go above the purple. So this is just an indicator to help me, give me a little bit of an edge that most likely this stock is now moving up. It's moving up in the right direction. These two lines are about to cross, and that's a good thing. So we got the MA cross, moving averages cross. That's another bullish signal. And our final bullish signal, I can't find any red flags with this thing. Someone let me know if you have a red flag. It's in a channel. And guess what? It's at the bottom of the channel. Every time it hit the bottom of this channel, it went up to the top of the channel, and it's going up higher and higher every time. It's making higher highs and higher lows. Beautiful. Everything's aligned. It's all making sense with this. All the dots are connected. It's drawing a beautiful picture of money signs. This thing, based on the trend, the channel, it's projected to hit 4. And then I'm out. I got my money, I'm out. All the boxes are ticked, green flags everywhere. I don't know what else I could say about this thing to let you know that it's a buy. Okay, let me give you one more. Let's go out to a bird's eye view. Since this stock has been alive, we're at a bottom. The lowest it has ever gone is 83 cents. And it touched there in 2017, and it touched there in 2020. And it wouldn't go below it. Green flag. And now it's heading up. So let's not be totally biased and totally bullish. Always have an exit plan, no matter how good a stock sounds. This stock has ticked every box, every single box. But guess what? I'm still going to get out and say the stock is junk if it goes bearish. I don't care if it's Apple or Tesla. You can't say, oh, it's going up forever, I'm never selling. Always have an exit plan. This is my get out. If this stock breaks 180, I'm getting out, I'm taking that loss. Maybe if it breaks 2, I would get out earlier. But if it breaks down, I'm getting out and it's over. We missed it, move on to the next one. Always have an exit plan. Take the loss because your loss can grow and grow and grow, and then you're screwed. You're a bag holder at the airport. All right, that's it for Marinus Pharmaceuticals. Let's look at the next one. So today's video is about stocks that rocket. And guess what? I got a company called Rocket. How ironic. Rocket Companies, ticker RKT, trading at 25.88. I actually think it's in the 26s after hours. This stock, I just found it today, and I wish I found it a week ago because it was down to 18. But what is Rocket Companies? Rocket Companies is a holding company that provides Rocket Mortgage online platform. The company offers Rocket Mortgage app, which clients use to apply for mortgage, interact with its team members, upload documents, e-sign, receive documents. It's on the Apple Store. Blah, blah, blah. You can pretty much get a mortgage on your phone. They're #1 in the industry in mortgages, I believe. They're beasts. They're killing it. They just IPO'd like 2 weeks ago. So, brand new. This company is going to continue to rocket. Now, I'm hoping that it pulls back after it hit this top test of 27, comes down to maybe 22, 23 for a refuel, and then it continues its rocket ship journey all the way out of the atmosphere. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I would prefer. But if it doesn't, it could continue to test the top at 26.88, 27, and break out. It's gone. But if it breaks out of that range, I'm buying in there. If it comes down, I'm buying it in the low mid-20s. So I wish I saw the stock a week ago. I could have got in at 18, but hey, that's how it goes. This is not checking all of my boxes because it's at the top right now. RSI, if you see RSI, it's way up. It needs to come down. My moving averages are not on here because the stock is too new. I just like the company. The company is innovative. It's a tech company because you can do it on your phone. You don't have to fill out papers. Who likes doing that? It's 2020. I'm hoping it breaks down and I can get into the 22, 23, 21 range. I'm all in. I'm loading up. It's called Rocket. So that's it. That's your 2 stocks to watch for the week. I got a new deep dive coming out Wednesday. So hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel so you can watch that. I go into the business and I do research. I don't just do it all on the computer. I do both. I do the computer and I get dirty. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, by watching these videos, you're getting inside tips. You're learning the ins and outs. You're finding all, oh, I got to show you the indicators. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up these moving averages if you're interested. I did this on Webull. There's so many platforms. It's all pretty much the same. Just find where your indicators tab is, and then you can add it the same way. Just look for moving averages, and you're going to add 2 of them. So on Webull, I click up here, indicators, and then I click on EMA, and I click on MA. So now we got 2 moving averages on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the first moving average to 50 and the second one to 200. That's it. So you can see here, when the one line went up, when the lighter purple went above the darker purple, it's a buy. It's that simple. When they cross, it's a buy. When they cross down, it's a sell. It's not rocket science. It's just a little indicator to give you a bit of an edge. If you don't use Webull, I love Webull. I got like 5 different platforms I use. But I love Webull. Link is in the description to sign up. You get like 2 free stocks or something. I don't know. Click the link and you can sign up with my referral. And we'll all get some stocks. Who that? Is that Michelle? She getting back from prom? I didn't even know school was in business. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, by watching these videos, you get the inside scoop. You get a little bit closer to you know what? To retiring young.